Hi guys, welcome back. It's me, I am Frances Owen and Jet Owens, and we're here to make some wonderful witchcrafty things for you. Now you know Sally works at Verbena in her little store, so we're helping her out. So what are we gonna make today?
I think we are going to make some lip balm.
Yep.
And some bath scrub.
Yes, we're going to make some beauty scrubs.
Beauty
so,
scrubs.
Very easy. Now you can make bath bombs, and I'll be honest with you, I tried to make a bath bomb, but I didn't have the bath bomb kit. It didn't work. So I'm not even gonna try, because we've seen me fail before and it's fun, but let's just do something that'll actually work, okay? Let's do that. Okay, so let's get a skull full, this is a skull full of this delicious salt. Smell it, it smells really good. It's got eucalyptus in it.
Oh, wow.
It's really awesome. Good, right?
Yes.
So the salt, this is a bath salt, so the salt helps to exfoliate. So I'm gonna tell you the good stuff.
Is that enough?
Yeah, put a little more, little more. I have
there we go.
great grandma's old spoon here.
Wow.
There you go. And then we're gonna put a little bit of baking soda. Okay. So I'm gonna put a little bit. It doesn't have to be a lot. Now baking soda is very good to use in a lot of household products as well as beauty products. It's wonderful to brush your teeth with. Have you ever brushed your teeth with baking soda?
Yes.
Helps to whiten the teeth as well as salt. The thing with the salt is you don't want to use it too often, because it does like
dry out.
It takes down the enamel. It like breaks down the enamel.
Oh, okay.
Then we're gonna put a little bit of cornstarch. Now the cornstarch, really the reason we use the cornstarch is basically to hold it all together, but we can just do a little spoonful because it does soften the skin a little. Little bit of corn. It already smells good.
I've never used the cornstarch.
And then, did we already use baking powder?
Yes.
We already used baking powder. I don't even remember what I'm doing anymore. Then the next thing we're going to use is some coconut oil. And I can either, we can just drizzle it in.
You don't want to put too much, because otherwise
you don't want to
it
put
gets
too much.
too wet.
And then a little bit of vitamin E.
Oh.
Yeah.
Excellent for the skin.
A little bit of vitamin E.
Excellent.
And if we were making a midnight margarita, we would use a little bit of lemon and lime. So, but for this, we're just going to use, have you ever used the peel?
Yes, I have.
Okay, well go ahead, peel.
Isn't that called the zest of
the zest? There you go. We're adding some zest to your life, ladies. Not too much, not too much. That's good. A little more, yeah, a little more.
I'm going nuts here.
A little more.
Like Parmesan on a pizza.
Yeah, no, that's good, that's good. Now a little bit of lime. It already smells like a margarita between the coconut,
it's amazing,
the eucalyptus, and the lime.
I don't see it.
It's coming. There you go. Okay, mix that all in. And then the last little fun trick that we're going to use is a little bit of citric acid. Now you can color this if you want, you don't need to. So citric acid, well, I'll show you what the citric acid does in just a second. So we'll just put like half, I guess that's like a tablespoon of citric acid. And the citric acid also helps to exfoliate and soften your skin.
This is amazing.
You ready? So now we're gonna test this out. Now you can use like, I have like rose petals here, so you can use rose petals. We might use some rose petals in the lip balm. So let's try this out. Now what I would do is just package this up.
Okay.
For Verbena, you can go ahead and try to package one up. Go ahead. We'll use this.
You do one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So you can use one of these, and that could be like for one bath, and you can package them really pretty and put little ribbons and stuff.
Is that good?
Yeah, that's good. And then let's test this out. You ready?
Yes. It smells so good.
So you would just dump it into your bath, just like this.
Oh, that is amazing.
And see, you see the little lime now. You put your hands in here. I should take off my rings before I do that.
Okay. I have mine on
But it
too.
feels good. Doesn't it feel good?
Yeah.
And then it fills the lemon and lime smell fills the whole like the bath. It's so nice.
Super aromatherapy.
Right? Isn't it nice? So
Super.
There's your margarita bath scrub. So now we're gonna do a lip scrub.
Okay.
So what's the difference between a lip scrub and a bath scrub?
To exfoliate the lips.
Yeah, but you'd have to be a little gentler. So I wouldn't use salt.
Oh,
You wouldn't use salt, yeah. So we're not gonna use salt.
I'm glad you're in charge of this instead of me, Frances.
Oh, no problem. Hold on, let's get this all out. Let's clean this all up.
Okay. Should I move this out of the way?
Oops. Ow!
It's okay. It's the spirits in the house.
Sorry.
You can go away now. We get it.
I'm sorry, guys. Oh, well.
That's okay.
That's all right. We'll continue. Please do not walk barefoot here. I made that, so I can just make it again.
I think I pulled out the wrong spell from the book.
That's all right. That's all right. Okay, so let's make... No, it's not your fault. I did it. Okay, so let's get some sugar. A little bit of sugar.
Brown sugar.
Let's use brown sugar. Let's use this one. Even though I cleaned this up.
Is this? Oh, it's raw sugar.
Yeah, it's raw sugar. Sugar in the raw, not brown sugar. Yeah.
How?
Here, if you want to measure it.
You want me to measure it?
Nah, it's okay. Here,
let's
use this.
eyeball it.
There you go. You can use this if you want.
How's that?
Yeah, that's good. A little bit of sugar.
Helps the medicine
We're gonna make.
go down.
It's gonna be a pumpkin spice one.
Ooh, naturally.
So, yeah. So we're gonna use a little bit of pumpkin spice.
Naturally.
You can just mix that in.
Maybe Starbucks will carry it.
A little bit of coconut. Yeah, I know, right? A little bit of coconut.
Just kidding.
A little bit of coconut oil. Go ahead. Start mixing that up.
Yes.
And just so you have rosy lips, a little bit of, I think this is rose drops.
Definitely. If I use this as a lip scrub, I'm going to want to eat it.
Yes, that's the problem. But
Right.
it makes your lips nice and soft and sweet. And then you take one of these small little containers.
Is that good?
Yeah.
I love this.
Yeah, it's really easy. It's
I tried
really
this
easy.
once before and it did not come out right, and I see why now.
Why? Why didn't it come out right?
Because you weren't here.
Oh, see, I'm the one that does magic and destroys things in my own house.
That wasn't you. That was
wasn't
the
me.
spirits.
Spirits. It was the phantoms. It was that damn boyfriend of Jillian's. I can't.
That's
I have
right.
oil on my hands. I can't take this
forget his
apart.
name.
Can you open this?
Here, let me see.
I have oily hands. Hold on.
There, I got it.
There you see. There you go. You got it.
This is adorable.
And then you just fill it up, and you can do a little sugar scrub, a little salt scrub. Give it to your friends. And we're not gonna exfoliate now because you got lipstick on. But you get the idea, and you just pop it on, and you have a little lip scrub anytime.
Where did you get these?
Dollar Tree. So I got these little containers.
They
at
have
Dollar
everything.
Tree. I live at the Dollar Tree.
In the craft section.
In the
you said,
craft
yes.
section. There's a new craft section in some of the Dollar Trees out there. So there you go.
There
you have
you
little
go.
containers, and you can decorate it however you want. So you can be beautiful.
Yes, of
And
course.
bewitching for this Halloween.
Yes.
So we'll be right back, and we're going to make something. But anyway, so for my next segment, just check it out. They're going to do something to drink or something to eat.
I'm thirsty.
And this is still bubbling.
wow.
So anyway, but your hands, don't they feel nice and soft?
Yeah, actually, they do.
They really do. They really, really do. Anyway, thank you guys. We'll be right back.